Hello, we are Team Content and Design, and we will be discussing e-learning content and system design. The focus will revolve around benefits of e-learning software, digital infrastructure, common policies in e-learning, and evaluating the effectiveness of an e-learning system. Now we're going to review e-learning software. E-learning offers many benefits to organizations. Some of those benefits are it builds courses quickly with templates and wizard tools. It expedites the communication and nurtures collaboration. There's tools to evaluate student progress, reduces materials, facility, and travel costs, ensures greater consistency in training across regions and countries, promotes greater retention by increasing employee engagement, delivers knowledge employees can use on the job at the moment that they need it, and enables you to design your learning program to suit your employees or industry's unique needs. Penn State Center for Workplace Learning and Performance has partnered with Skillport, Collaborate, and Adobe Connect to provide 24/7 online self-paced asynchronous learning to Penn State employees. SkillPro, a modern cloud-based LMS, and Adobe Connect and Blackboard Collaborate are used to offer synchronous web conferencing capabilities. Penn State uses state-of-the-art e-learning software. UIUC Center for Training and Professional Development uses Lynda to provide their employees with online training. Lynda.com offers training on leading software topics including Adobe products, Apple products, Microsoft products, and much more. Lectura is an e-learning authoring software that allows for easy creation of online learning modules. The courses are specialized to the university and offers staff development in accounting, finance, grant writing, payroll, and purchasing. Digital infrastructure is a key function to the development and implementation of e-learning. Rosenberg states that e-learning infrastructure is based on an institution's technological capability to deliver and manage e-learning. Therefore, it should be based on an architecture that depends on open, published standards, reusability of components, serviceability, and maintainability. According to Kahn, when designing the infrastructure, you should focus on these key questions. What technological and technical capabilities are required to support e-learning? What essential skills, i.e. digital literacy, are needed by learners, instructors, and support staff to be successful in ever-changing digital learning environments? What standards and guidelines should be followed to create and share learning content? And what policy should be employed for technological infrastructure? The ease of use of the interface is as important to the learner's experience as the content itself. Kahn outlines key features to consider: page and site design, content design, navigation, accessibility, and usability testing. Policies are vital. They ensure the integrity of the entire e-learning program. Policies need to be clearly written, defined, and easily accessible. Penn State has the General University Reference Utility Policy Manual. This manual states the policy's purpose, details, and defines any key terms. University of Illinois has many policy manuals, one of which is the Campus Administrative Manual. This policy manual is easy to follow, read, and individual policies are often linked to other pages within the University of Illinois for further details. When writing policies for an e-learning program, a common practice is to use existing policies and to modify them to fit the needs of the e-learning program. Take for example the University of Illinois' policy on communication from the Campus Administrative Manual. It was adapted to include electronic communication in addition to verbal and written. Instructors teaching online courses should have appropriate policies clearly listed in their syllabus. Policies are dynamic, and institutions must change them to ensure the integrity of all the programs remain true. Due to the growing demand of e-learning program, a central component to assure institutions maintain the integrity of the programs is evaluation. In our text, Bates says, consider the increased popularity of technology-based learning. Evaluation will be essential. Evaluation is an integral part is an integral part in the design of e-learning systems. It is one of the most important methods to continually improve the program. Evaluations can be formative, which is an evaluation technique used in process, often during the design and development phase, or summative, which is an evaluation that takes place at the end of the program. During a conversation with Professor Peter Kaczynski, the HRD graduate program coordinator, he was asked, how did the Department of Education uh, evaluate the effectiveness of their programs? Dr. Kaczynski stated that evaluating e-learning programs is difficult in general because typically we don't capture enough data to accurately measure program success. This is very consistent with what Graham Atwell says in Evaluating E-Learning, a guide to the evaluation of e-learning, which was, what is known about the innovative approaches to training has been limited by the shortage of scientifically credible evaluation. Looking at how the University of Illinois, in particular the College of Education, evaluates their online program, Professor Kaczynski says evaluation occurs throughout the entire course development process. But there are other important components that help to assure the best possible learning outcome. For example, the university does not distinguish between online and live classes, so the performance expectation is the same for each. During the course development phase, teams use best-in-class pedagogical practices to assure the programs are designed to the highest standards. The university relies heavily on post-course evaluation. Typically, during the last week of class, students are asked to evaluate how well the instructor delivered the material, how well the material fits in relation to the course objectives, and what, if any, improvements could be made to make the learning experience more effective. The school then uses this feedback to make improvements to the subsequent courses. Thank you so much for joining us for our presentation, and you can see our references on the following slide.